Hello and welcome to the video tutorial of EduApp. In this video, we shall be covering employee login. Let us get started. First, we would start with the campus code. Campus code is the code of your database and you can obtain it from your ERP manager or your respective support manager. I would be logging in using the same credentials, that is username and password, that I have been using so far for my web interface. Once I log in, it would show me the logged in employee name. On the side menu, I can see the employee picture, again the name. These are the profile details of the employee. Basic information, contact information, and the app has provided the option to change passwords. I can send social invite using various apps. Social invite would be sending out the link to the ERP via these options. Next, I can set theme. I can change color theme as per my choice. Next, I come down to sessions. Session typically allows me to change the logged in campus, institute, or session like it does in the web interface. I can change campus code or log out from here. Going to the dashboard, the first module that we have is attendance. It has three parts: daily, in, out. That is, this form would allow me to punch in or out as the need be. This is my daily attendance, which shows me my previous attendance records. This would be QR code. If enabled, it can be used as an option to take QR code based attendance of employees. Next is blog. This is a display of blogs that have been approved using the blog module of the ERP via the web interface. As in how you want to run it, an employee, student, parent can be allowed to view this blog list as well as create blogs. Blogs would be submitted under categories and they are subject to approval via the web interface. Calendar. Calendar is the academic calendar that has been set up in the web interface. The app allows to view details of various events that are coming up in the next few days. Downloads. Important documents for future references can be uploaded using the web interface. The app would allow user to directly download those documents into their device, like the mobile or the app. A tab. Employee leave. Employee leave has three parts. Apply. I can apply a leave from here. Applications. My previous applications, approved or not approved, can be displayed over here. And approve and sanction. Approve, sanction would be used by those who have the rights to sanction or approve leaves. Inquiry. Inquiry is a module that allows anyone from your campus to be someone like your admission counselor. As on how they are on go, they might come across people who might be interested in admissions in your institute. They can fill up a small inquiry form for them and they can submit it. So the same would get enlisted in the user inquiry part. Feedback. Feedback is general feedback that an employee or a student can give with regard to the institute. So this would be my feedback. My feedback would comprise of the feedbacks given by the logged in employee. New feedbacks can be created over here. Gallery is divided into two parts. Again, the upload is done via the web interface. This is the image gallery, the video gallery. I can go to the anyone with the access to the image gallery can, let's say, go and download a required image. This is how they open it, and this is how they download it. So once I've downloaded, it becomes a part of my image gallery, device gallery. Grievance. Grievance is divided into three parts. My grievance, wherein previous grievances submitted by the user can be seen. Create. A new grievance can be created over here and submitted for further pursuit. And grievance. The grievance tab would be showing list of grievances for the grievance in charge. Like this employee is in charge for certain grievances. So grievances submitted by various employees can be seen over here. Hostel. Hostel module is divided into two parts. Room details and attendance. I can mark attendance for a given hostel from here. So the hostel attendance has been successfully saved. To use this, a person has to be a warden by the scope given to them in the ERP. Now this is the library module. I can search a book. I can make a reservation. I can see my under activities. I have three parts. Transactions. These are the open transactions. Reserved. These are the books reserved by this particular user. And history. This is the transaction history of this user. So this would apply to employees as well as students. Next is lost and found. Lost and found again as a part of content module under the web interface. This is a list of various lost and found instances submitted by different people. From broadcast, a new entry of a lost item can be made. The same can be viewed over here. Mess module. Mess module is again related to mess module as per the web interface. If you have a mess module activated over here, you can use it. So I can use it for marking attendance of various days. We next have news. This shows the list of news that have been submitted and approved. News can be created and submitted using the second tab of Create News. News is always subject to approval and it will be approved only via the web interface. Polls. Polls would show me the various live polls, and I can also see previous poll results. Student attendance. This is a module that would be used very frequently. Just like the web interface, the student attendance would allow us to take attendance in sync with the timetable and even without the timetable. So I input all the required information. This input is being made with timetable in place. So I can change the legends. Default legend for everyone would be fetched as present, that is P. I can change legends as per my requirement and submit. So the attendance would be getting marked successfully. Next is task and DRR. In case you have a list of people assigned under you, like you are the manager, what you can do is you can create a few tasks for the people of your team and assign it to them. So the tasking is being assigned to the employees and I can put a date to it, a start and a closure date. And the task would be assigned to all people in the downline. Timetable. Timetable module will show you the active timetable for a particular logged in employee. Like this employee is a faculty and he has got a certain assignment of various subjects, and the detail of timetable is shown over here. Similarly, it would be visible to the student as well. The student will be able to see their class timetables. We come down to transport. Transport has two parts: attendance So I have a list of students who are, let's say, on this particular route. I can mark everyone as present, or I can check all, uncheck the few people who are absent and submit. Now this is my attendance list. wherein I can see the record of previous records as well as the current records. So this was a very brief video about the EduApp. For more details, you can get in touch with your support manager. They would be more than happy to help you around with all your inquiries. Thank you.